Good morning, everyone. Beautiful morning here at Sebring. Got the car here all ready to go. I actually just finished getting everything ready. I got a few minutes before I head out. Here's the schedule here. So warm up first at 8:30, so we were getting pretty close. So I'm just gonna make this quick and I will see you guys in the driver's seat. Alright guys, quick sad update. Yeah, it's around noon, lunchtime now, so everyone's on break. Well, you can see the front bumper's off, so it's not ever really a good sign. First it started with, I had a issue this morning. First run out, I was boost cutting really bad. It was spiking like 19 pounds and my boost cut set to 18, so it was just cutting the whole car every time I got on the gas. Came in, checked. First thing I saw was a bolt that was holding the turbo backed out. Melted my old line, my old drain hose, and completely melted it, and it was leaking. So had to go to the store, get a new bolt, Loctite it, torque it down real good, fix that. Had to get a new hose. Team 1/3 Racing over there thankfully donated a little piece of hose. They're always saving me every time I'm out here, man. Every time I'm out here, they're out here and they're always saving me, so shout out to them. Yeah, so put a new hose on. That issue is fixed. And then I had a problem with, being that it was over boosting, I kept blowing this pipe loose. So turns out the clamp I had on there was just a hair too big. So I went ahead and, again, Team 1/3, I traded clamps with them, got a really small clamp, wrenched it down tight, so now that shouldn't slip off. I just took it for like a quick little test hit. I turned the boost controller completely off, and it's kind of weird because the boost controller off just on wastegate, it's at 9 pounds when it should be at 7, so there's definitely a vacuum leak somewhere. So yeah, what I just did, I just turned the boost control map down a little bit, so hopefully that'll kind of make up the difference. So I just kind of took it for like a little quick hit, and it seems to be better. So hopefully, because it's already lunchtime and I haven't even finished a full complete lap. So I already chewed up like 3 sessions. So hopefully we'll clear this up in the afternoon and be able to get some time in. I'm gonna let them tow it.
You're smoking really heavy out the back end, so let's look at your car.
Okay. Oh, that break off?
Yeah, I touched it and it came off. What the heck?
I got you, I got you. There you go. Smells like oil.
Turbo?
Yep.
That's what it smells like.
Yeah, smells like oil. Oh yeah, that's oil.
You got oil. Yeah. You got oil down. Yeah, we do have a little underneath motor in the car. Put it neutral for me, shut it down. Turbo that gave up with the motor.
What's that?
I thought it was the turbo that gave up with the motor.
Where's that coming from?
If you look in the shaft, like if you look straight through, you can see the side, the bottom right side of the block. That's what it looks like it's coming from.
Yeah, it's hard to see.
when it clears, the smoke clears every now and then, you can see it like solid,
okay.
soaked.
Yeah, he's wet, but he's not dripping anything when he came in.
He's dripping underneath, but not that. Yeah, the whole side of the rock is soaked.
It's been one of those days.
Plateau him back from here or just load him?
Alright guys, so finally made it back. It's about 8 o'clock now. The car didn't do the greatest. Definitely probably one of the worst it's ever performed. And it was turned down, so. But we learned a lot today. Know what we need to improve on. And guess we'll try again next time. But as you can see, the spoiler broke. At Sebring, she went to open up my hatch, and I think this was broken anyways because it used to wobble pretty bad, but she finished it off. So it's time to finally upgrade to something that's gonna be more aerodynamic and actually benefit me. That was just kind of for looks. So that broke off. Everything on the interior is perfect, but under the hood, vacuum line actually melted. The car overheated. The vacuum line melted and was actually like turning into ash. It was like glowing red, and the whole vacuum line was like white. Yeah, it was pretty bad. So the car almost caught on fire. I was actually feeding it oxygen because I had the fan blowing in, trying to cool everything down, and it was actually glowing red until I turned it off and I had to spit some water at it because it's just under the manifold. And yeah, it was a pretty bad day today. So we got like one almost complete lap in today out of a full like 2.5 hour day. They cut the sessions a little short because they divided them up more, but yeah, we got like a 2.5 hour day and I only got one almost full lap out of it. So that's just going to show you how bad it was today. But the one lap I did do, I had it turned down to 10 pounds of boost, so we were in like the 250 to 260 horsepower range, and it did I came in the pits and the clock was still going, and she said it was like a 250, so I figured that was probably like a low 240, high 230 lap if I would have finished it out. I got black flagged, so it was blowing smoke out the back, so I got black flagged for that, so I had to stop like midway on the back straight. I don't know if the camera got it or not because the camera was acting up today too, but you guys didn't miss out on much, but got a lot of work to do and we learned a lot today. So hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for some future videos because we got a lot of work to do now, and I'll probably be recording a lot of it. So catch you guys later.